Hello, let's create a dummy variable for a categorical variable for each values. I got the category from the Superstore data showing in the column A, which has a few values such as furniture, office supplies, technology. Let's copy the values into the column B, furniture, office supplies, to column C, technology, to column D as the names of the dummy variable. So the function we use will be called if function. The first argument is a logic to check the value in the category in A2 equals the word furniture. This one should be fixed. Let's push F4 or function F4 on the surface key. Comma equal to 1 if the logic is true, otherwise it's 0. Close it up and enter. And then double click, it creates the dummy variable. Let's repeat this one again for the office supplies. If the cell A2 equals office supplies, and this value should be fixed. This value should be fixed. And if true equals 1, otherwise it equals 0. Not equal to 2. Okay. If equals 1, okay, equals 1, otherwise it's 0. Double click autofill. Same thing as for if the last one, categorical variable, value, and equals technology. And autofill this, fix it, and comma 1 and 0. Close up, autofill. Now this finish up the categorical variable and by creating dummy variables.